will respond to true hunger. Lift your sound. 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 Ah, lift your sound. There's a sound that he will respond to. Lift your sound. Are you hungry? Are you thirsty? Are you craving? Are you desperate? Oh, do you want it? Lift your sound. Come on, what are you waiting for? Lift your sound. We're desperate for you. We want you, Jesus. We're craving you. We didn't just ask just to be cute in your presence. We want the glory. We want the glory. So we lift up a sound. We lift up a sound of worship. We lift up a sound of worship. We lift up a sound of worship. Cry out, cry out, cry out, cry out, cry out, cry out. And I charge this atmosphere. Rivers of worship will flow in this place. Rivers of praise will flow in this place. There it is, come on. The breaker is here. The breaker is here. The breaker is here. The breaker is here. He comes to break through this atmosphere. The breaker is here. He comes to break through this space. The breaker is here. Oh, Yamashoko, Yamasha. The breaker is here. The breaker is here. I pull you out of the caves. Break open prison gates. I dig you out of the graves. I'm breaking every chain. The breaker is here. 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 Real big, the breaker is here. 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 Breaker is here. He says, I pull you out of the caves. Break open prison gates. He says, I've come to dig you out of the graves. I'm breaking every chain. The breaker is Jesus. The breaker is Jesus. The breaker is Jesus. The breaker is Jesus. Say, the breaker is Jesus. The breaker is Jesus. The breaker is Jesus. Can I sing it one more time? This is what the Lord says. He said, I pull you out of the caves. Break open prison gates. I dig you out of the graves. I'm The breaker is here.